and welcome to everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about gate versus globe valve and choosing the right valve for chilled water systems. Don't forget to subscribe HVAC for Life channel. Let's start. Function. Gate valve. A gate valve operates by raising or lowering a gate, a flat or wedge-shaped disc, to control the flow of fluid. When fully open, it allows unobstructed flow without significant pressure drop. Globe valve. A globe valve controls fluid flow by raising or lowering a movable disc, a plug or a ball, into or out of the path of the fluid. It provides precise control and throttling capabilities. Flow characteristics. Gate valve. Gate valves offer minimal resistance to flow when fully open, resulting in low pressure drop. They are primarily used for on-off isolation applications where a full flow is required. Globe valve. Globe valves provide good throttling capabilities, allowing precise control of flow rates. The flow path through a globe valve involves changes in direction, which may cause a higher pressure drop compared to gate valves. Pressure drop. Gate valve. Gate valves have a low pressure drop when fully open, making them more suitable for high flow applications where pressure loss needs to be minimized. Globe valve. Globe valves tend to have a higher pressure drop due to the design of the flow path and the throttling action. They are preferred in applications where pressure drop is not a significant concern, but precise control is necessary. Maintenance and leakage. Gate valve. Gate valves have a simple design and fewer internal parts, making them easier to maintain. They typically provide tight shutoff when fully closed, minimizing leakage. Globe valve. Globe valves have more complex internals, including a movable disc and a seating surface. While they may require more maintenance, they can offer better sealing capabilities, resulting in reduced leakage. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe HVAC for Life channel for HVAC related content and share with your friends. Bye. See you on next video.